Hi and welcome to a pretty sad episode on my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the reason why I lost my drone forever. It's the first time I lost the drone forever. The reason is I crashed in deep water and there is no way to get it back. Why this happened is pretty simple. One of these pretty trusty VTXs smoked up during my last battery of the day. And was pretty far out over the water, and so I had no chance to get it back, and the drone crashed into the water, and that was it for my first Tokyo X build. What really happened is that I used this VTX for too long, so it simply smoked up. What I highly recommend to how to use VTXs, no matter what VTX you use, don't use it for too long, because every VTX I tried in the past was dead earlier or later. There were some immersion RCs, there were TBS VTXs, any kind of price range, and all of them smoked up. I always filtered them, used capacitors or step-down regulators, not went directly from the battery to the VTX, so tried everything to make it live longer, but one day it will die, and if you have bad luck, it will die during your flight, perhaps a long-range flight or a flight over water, and your drone probably will be gone. So my recommendation is use it for a few months and replace your VTX. And like this you can reduce the risk to lose a drone forever, pretty much. But I also have good news, and good news is that there is already some new stuff for a new Tokyo X build, new frame, canopy, and my Futaba receiver, which I do modify like it's shown in the video on the link above. I'm gonna give a try for my already used luminaire motors, and also very important, I'm gonna replace my GoPro with a run cam split. This one is the first version. We will see how good the HD footage will be. I will try something for DVR also to make the DVR picture as good as possible, as clean as possible. I'm looking pretty forward to this build. What I also gonna use is an all-in-one board, FC, and 4-in-1 ESCs on it, like you already saw in my previous videos. We will see how this will end up. I will come up for sure with flight footage, with DVR footage. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this build. It's the first time I do a build with the run cam split, and we will see how this will end up. So that was a short episode. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumb up if you like it. Comment, share and subscribe. And as always, happy flying. Bye bye.